What's going on, guys? I want to give you guys a little quick tip on how you can play the key levels, not only just taking the bigger trades where you're trying to hold these things for 50 points, 100 points, but how you can scalp them as well, right? So let's say sometimes you miss a trade, right? Either you weren't watching it, you didn't by some reason trust the level. We've broken down, let's use the breakdown from this level here, 17,992 today. We break down, we kind of consolidate, we put in a low, we start to bounce, we start to bounce, we start to bounce, we back test, right? So break, retest. What you can do, guys, you can just draw those flags, right? Just draw the flag, okay? Simple flag here, get multiple touch points, drag it across the low of those wicks. After you see the break, the retest, if we start to break through that flag, even though there's a little bit of drawdown here, guys, we're still below the 20. We're still below the key level. Just hold the move, right? Hold the move. Here's another one right here, right? Here's another flag right here. Another leg down. Create a little bit of a flag, okay? Take the low point, grab multiple touch points. As you're watching these trades set up here, boom, here's your breakdown. Here's your entry here. Hold, hold, hold as long as you're below that flag, as long as you're below the 20, hold. And then on this particular trade here, here's your entry. And this one was very, very seamless and just flushes into the next demand. So again, that flush into the next demand from getting in here, let's call it a price of 818, right? Let's say you even got in late. Let's say you got in at 810. This goes all the way down in a matter of 10 minutes to 768. So you're talking about over 50 points in 10 minutes. Playing a flag, playing the key levels, trusting the process, sitting in trades, sizing yourself to zero, meaning if you want to lose $200 on a trade, play 2 micros, right? With that, you can give up 50, 60 points, right? If you play 1 micro, you're looking for 50 points. Maybe you're looking for a $100 trade. You could essentially lose 50 points, give up $100, and you can also target 50 points, make $100, right? So again, for me personally, I'm comfortable giving up $250, $350 a trade. I'm looking for anything over $200. You guys already know, if I can bang out a $250 trade, $300 winning trade, that account gets locked up, that day gets banked away, and we continue to trade for the next day to get that payout. So with that being said, I'll see all of you guys on the trade floor tomorrow. Just kind of wanted to point out how you can play the range when we've lost a key level, right? Because obviously, ideally, we want to break this range and we want to confirm. And as long as we stay below the key level, we just want to hold short, right? Oh, we just want to hold short and make our money all down here. That'd be nice, right? But again, sometimes, we get a nice big move and then it kind of back tests against us and we start to get panicked and then, okay, we're back in big profit here. And then we just sell right there, right? And then there's a lot of periods of time where the market's just grinding down in the same direction. So it's kind of like, how can you find that next trade? Well, draw a flag, right? Draw a flag, get the breakdown, take the breakdown, and then sell for profit at your next demand zone. Hope this video helps you guys. I'll see you guys all on the trade floor tomorrow.